Damn, you never heard of that shit. It's basically just a giant Italian food. If you want some like Italian sausage all up in your mouthpiece, just sucking on it. Yeah. Oh, that's just me. Sorry. There we go.
There you go.
Fucking bullshit. Did you strap your helmet on?
Huh?
You strapped your...
Yeah. we're about to go crazy. Look at this.
Too bad we're not here on like... Oh no, that is fucking like Saturday.
It is
Uh-huh.
fucking rain.
Woo! Yeah.
Yeah.
The good thing about walking around with helmets, the good thing about walking around with helmets over here is like no one cares, because there's so much other crazy shit.
Oh, I know.
As long as you don't go in a casino, I think you're good, because they'll like fucking shoot your ass because they think you're about to rob them. Dolce and Gabbana. I used to fucking like, when I worked security for the rich neighborhood, I used to fucking like guard the house of the, like, I think some of the owners of Dolce & Gabbana. They had a giant ass fucking house, nigga, oh my god. One time I went in it, because before it was done they were renovating it, and I went in it because the doors were unlocked, so we like do checks on the house, right? So we were checking the house, right? It was under construction, so we like go and check the doors, make sure everything's locked, because all the people. And one time the doors were unlocked, so we get to go inside and check the house, make sure nobody's been in it. And I found a fucking like purse with a fucking, the only thing in it was a mirror with like white powder on it. She's like, they're like hella fucking dude, do you know how many old, rich ass people's houses I've been in? They all have fucking Viagra. Every single fucking old white dude. Every fucking one. I'm not gonna lie. Viagra, Cialis, one of those, dog. Every one of them, dude. It's fucking gnarly. Oh, dude, it's getting so slick. Dude, my fucking boots are like fucking slipping and sliding. Do it. Doing a fatty ass. You do a fatty ass. What the fuck? Dude, this dude is drunk as fuck. Look at this. Holy fuck. Yo. He ain't got no shoes on, dog. That's good, man. Yo. Go, green. I know, dude. This is so fucking crazy. We got a couple of highlights for fucking videos. I know. Oh. Huh?
Normally I don't wash my bars, but I am now.
Oh yeah. I always lock mine.